Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to create professional festival posters using AI tools even if you have zero design skills. So let's get started. So firstly open your browser. Here you will search for ChatGPT or you can use Gemini. Now enter a prompt, create a new year poster for my business. I am attaching my logo. You can attach your logo, load files. Currently we are using this logo. Same prompt we are paste in ChatGPT and attach the image. Or even you use Canva AI to create festival posters. We will check which give us best results and compare. Here you will see ChatGPT will be creating the first, Gemini will be the second, but Gemini did not mention anywhere New Year. Also Canva is the last. But it will give you variations 1 2 3 4 5. Here you will see ChatGPT will accurate results. Even you can change the color scheme, add or remove objects also, or say make it professional. Here you will see it will create image in within seconds, even not taking a minute. Approx 30 seconds it will create image successfully. We will wait. Here you will see simple and sober. That's it. Now you can create amazing festival poster using AI in minutes. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.